let's talk about adding the leaves to our Kandinsky-inspired tree. I'm going to start with an assortment of squares. I'm going to start by cutting a circle out of a large square and gluing it down. Glue it at the end of one of the tree branches. Then I'm going to cut a smaller circle from a smaller square and glue that on top of the bigger circle, kind of looking like lollipops. Take your time and cut out enough leaves to go on the ends of all of your tree branches. All of our leaves should be cut into circles, with one large circle and then one smaller circle on top. Once you have created all of your circles for all of the ends of your tree branches, glue them down. The next step in the process will be to use oil pastels and add patterns to our tree branch circles. Take your time and think about a variety of patterns you can add. There are many different kinds of lines that we can use in art for making patterns. I can use straight lines, curvy lines, zigzag lines. There are 3 different kinds of straight lines. Lines that are horizontal, side to side, vertical, up and down, or diagonal, where they go corner to corner. I could add spirals and swirls, wavy lines, polka dot lines, dashes, dotted lines, all kinds of lines that we can use to decorate our tree. The more variety of colors and the more variety of lines you use in your art, the more interesting your picture will be. Take your time and work creatively and thoughtfully on your project. If one of your circles just does not turn out the way you want it, you can always redo it by gluing down a new circle on top of it to fix it. Take your time, make sure you didn't miss anything. Oh, there are 2 more at the top that I did not color yet. Let's see, I think I'm going to add some concentric circles to this one and then some diagonal dashes around the outside. 1 more to go. Let's do some radiating lines and then some simple polka dots around the outside. Make sure you clean up your materials, put everything away, and your Kandinsky tree is all finished.